Hello and welcome to Kathleen Color. It's been snowing and I am ready for a ski vacation. Whether you're hitting the slopes, hanging out in the lodge, or just chilling at home, this look is so much fun and it looks like you've been kissed by the sun. For my ski vacation look, I started with the CC cream. CC creams have an SPF of 50 and are a great way to protect your skin. They're fabulous for going on vacation. You'll notice that I broke the rules and chose a color 2 shades darker than my natural skin tone. This is to look like I have a tan and gives me a sun-kissed glow. I set my tinted moisturizer with translucent powder. This will help it last all day. For the star of the show, I used Becca's bronzer and brushed it in a 3 across my forehead, along my cheeks, and the outer perimeter. I then added extra to my cheeks instead of blush and down my nose for a sun-kissed glow. Under my eyes, I applied NARS concealer for a smooth, seamless look and brushed the excess on my eyelids. Highlighter came next. I used Clinique's highlight stick and applied it to the tops of my cheeks and then layered Lancome's dual finish highlighter for added glow. For my eyes, with my fingers, I applied shadow primer from lash to brow. Next, I applied a base color from Stila called Kitten Heel. Then I used the palette Born This Way in the natural nudes. I started with the color Nude and applied it in my crease and wrapped it under my eyes. I then applied L'Oreal's Infallible Cream Eyeshadow to my lids. Next, with my finger, I applied Shimmering Pearl to my lids. I then smoothed the edges. With a shimmery shadow stick, I applied it to the inner corners of my eye and near the lower lash line for more sparkle. I then blended it for a seamless finish. Brows came next. I brushed my brows up and out and applied brow pencil in short strokes for a natural brow. I then added a white eyeliner pencil to the water well of my eye. This makes your eyes look brighter and bigger. I then brushed liquid eyeliner to my upper lash line. Magnetic lashes came next, but you could also use your favorite mascara. To finish the eyes, I applied black mascara to my lower lashes. No look is complete without lips. I applied my favorite Burt's Bees lip shimmer in Guava. This color gives ultimate shimmer while hydrating the lips even on the slopes. This has been so much fun, but it's now time for me to hit the slopes. Thanks for watching. You can follow me on Instagram at Kathleen Color. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Remember, life is better in color.